Hello believers, if you are here for the first time, please make sure that you do press the red subscribe button down below, and if you are returning to my channel, please make sure that you have pressed the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I get to post new content. As always, we're going to start by prepping our face. Guys, I'm so in love with this, honestly. If you want to know how it looks like this. I'm so in love. I love it. I love it for everything. I love it. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. You know. So I'm gonna be using obviously the Fitme foundation because I don't want like anything like a heavy makeup look. I haven't washed my brushes in a while. So I start by applying my Maybelline Fitme foundation on the bridges of my face, on the four corners of the face, and I use my Jaclyn Hill brush that does not absorb a lot of product to blend it out. Using my pencil to draw little strokes on my brows, like not a lot, just a bit, you know, to just give them a little bit more dimension. Not too much, you know, just have them look natural. And then I'm using this Maybelline 24 Super Stay. You know, when Maybelline says Super Stay, it means a Super Stay. Concealer, it's the best concealer in the game. The Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay foundation stays. If you see this full coverage has nothing to do with the foundation. It's all in the concealer. I am contouring, and I'm contouring up until under the eyebrow. I'm contouring until under the eyebrow to define my nose and give myself that thin nose, you know. So I am going in with this. This is my favorite Yardley translucent powder. I want to say it's the best translucent powder in the whole world, but I can't do that because I haven't used a lot. But of the ones that I've used, this has been the best, and it's the best smelling. And now I'm using the James Charles palette to, you know, do my eyeshadow. The James Charles, and this look is based on, it's based on the James Charles palette only. I've used the James Charles palette only for this makeup look, and even for like the contouring and the blush and whatever, I've used this palette. This is the palette that every person should have, and not the Makuleni one that you buy from downtown. Go to Morphe and say, or the James Charles website, or to his YouTube channel and follow the link and purchase the James Charles palette for yourself. It has all the colors that you could ever need. It has everything, you know, that you can ever need, especially if you are a makeup artist. Buy the James Charles palette. You don't know the amazingness of using a good eyeshadow palette because you've never really used, you know, quality product. It changes everything. It changes the game. So I use my glue, the same glue that I use for my eyelashes, and I used it to stick on the stars on my eyes. You know, I feel like the look was amazing even without the stars, but yeah, I did it. It's done. And then I go in with my favorite, you know, eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner in the game. It is the Essence. Guys, I love Essence. Essence has a lot of amazing, you know, cute products that you need to have in your collection, and they will just make things work for you. So I'm using this eyeliner by Essence to just draw and define my eyeliner, and it's amazing. I've been using it for a long time, and it's amazing. It's so easy to control. I love it. Also, Essence. This is an Essence brush watermark eyeliner. Is it eyeliner or liner? Whatever. And it's white. It allows your eyes to pop, and they have this white effect. It's just beautiful. You know, it's amazing. So these eyelashes I got from Signature, you guys. I got them from Signature, and they are okay if you are a makeup artist and you want to put them on a bride or on your bridesmaid, but it's not something that I would allow. I would buy. Like, I'd rather just go to Makuleni. Like, they're good. They're very beautiful for a one-day product. They're very good for like your one day thingy, but apart from that, nothing there for me. I don't think I'd buy them again. So I I love these days. I've fallen in love with defining my brows after my eye look. It allows the top of my eyeshadow to look very neat and clean, especially if I'm going for a bold look. So that's why I draw my eyebrows afterwards, and it gives me a natural feel. It allows my brows to be defined but still look as natural as possible. And remember, when I draw my eyebrows, I do not apply concealer on the top of my brows. If you want to apply concealer on the top of your eyebrows, start from the middle of the brow outwards. Don't apply concealer in the on top of the first part of your eye. So when I highlight so that when I apply my lipstick, I can have definition. So I contour my lips to shape them, to have that Instagram pop, that Instagram look, the Instagram lip. You know, if you use a lot of filters, but you don't allow the filters to help you when it comes to your makeup, and those filters can be really helpful because they'll teach you how everything and where everything goes. And then to the 24-hour superstay, favorite color, favorite lipstick. This is just beautiful. It looks like I'm laying a blanket of velvet on top of my lips. It's amazing, and it feels amazing, and it's blending beautifully. So again, I'm using a brush just to blend everything and furnish everything and put everything together. And look at how cute those little tiny lips look. And my favorite finishing spray by Essence again. You know, and I'm using it and I'm highlighting my nose like a Instagrammer. You don't just highlight the whole nose and no, you highlight the tip of your nose and you highlight a little bit of the bridge of your nose. You must control your brush. Have control of your brush to make everything just look perfect and amazing, like a Instagrammer. So I also highlight the inner corner of my eye, just to make my eye look pop even more. And I'm using this big brush. Don't use a brush like this when you highlight. For me, it was an error. It was a very big error. Use a precise brush, like a small tiny brush that's gonna highlight where you want highlighted, but then it didn't ruin much. And did I mention that don't forget when you contour, apply a little bit of that blush on your nose so that when you highlight, it defines your highlight even more, you know. So don't forget to do that. And then I am using my Yardley 24-hour what styling gel to just furnish. What is it? Furnish? To just to clean up. Hey, simple English that I speak every day. And this is it. Thank you, guys.